expression and form, trying to deliver ourselves of our precious contents or meanings, desperately attempting to organize what is after all a rebellious and chaotic process. Wouldn't it be more creative simply to surrender to our inner fluidity, without any intention of objectifying it, intimately and voluptuously soaking in our own inner turmoil and struggle? Then we would feel with much richer intensity the whole inner growth of spiritual experience. All kinds of insights would blend and flourish in a fertile effervescence. A sensation of actuality and spiritual content would be born, like the rise of a wave or a musical phrase. To be full of oneself, not in the sense of pride, but of enrichment. To be tormented by a sense of inner infinity means to live so intensely that you feel you are about to die of life. Such a feeling is so rare and strange that we would live it out with shouts.